So let's go ahead and take a brief look at how Rentec solution and Nelco solution works together to help you file your 1099 forms. From your Rentec screen, go ahead and click on Settings. Scroll down and find the Utilities button. Go and click on 1099 e-file and print. And you'll see a list of all of your vendors here. As you can see, I have 2 vendors and 2 owners that could require 1099s. However, I am missing some information on some of these. So for the moment, I'm just going to click ABS Landscaping and Johnson Investments because they are ready to go, and click Continue to Next Step. Click Continue to Next Step again, and continue to Nelco to initiate e-file. Now at Nelco, we're just going to go ahead and use our test environment. And if you've never logged in with us before, go ahead and click Create Account down here at the bottom. And we'll ask you for some basic information, including your email address and password. Please make sure that email address and password are easy to remember. The password obviously will get you logged in, and the email address is where we will send order confirmations and other information to. I obviously have an account set up already, so I will go ahead and just log in. Once you're logged in, the first screen you're going to come to is called Forms in Progress. The name of your organization will be up here in the gray bar, and the form type that you're filing will be listed right here in blue. As you can see, we're filing one 1099 miscellaneous for Johnson Investments and one 1099 NEC for ABS Landscaping. You can select or deselect different payers or different recipients, and then you will see the check marks disappear, and basically the check mark tells you exactly what we're going to be doing for you. You can also choose your different services. Federal e-filing is where we will send it directly to the IRS. State e-filing, we will send it directly to any states. And recipient mail, online retrieval, we will print and mail these forms directly to your 1099 recipients. Leave them all checked, or go ahead and use the bundles at the top and just click Next. Now, occasionally there is other information that we need to file to a state. In this case, the state of West Virginia says if you're going to file 1099s, we need to complete an IT 103 form. Now, if there's any information that's missing, just go ahead and click Next. And if there was wrong information, you will be prompted to enter it. We also will email these individuals a copy of a link that allows them to download their 1099 electronically. This is in addition to us printing and mailing a copy out directly to them. If you have email addresses in here, that is where it's going to go. So you can take a moment and add them in here if you'd like. And we come to the card screen, the Submit Forms. Here, I would encourage you to stop and click Preview Forms and get a PDF of exactly what your forms are going to be looking like. That Preview Forms is going to be a great place just to pause and make your checks and see that everything is going to be correct. You can always leave and then come back in and complete your filing after you reviewed the accuracy of those forms. Again, check marks indicate the services that we're going to be performing. Once you look good, just go ahead and click Next. Again, if you've never filed with us before, go ahead and click Add a Card, and you can put in your credit card information. If for some reason you do not have a credit card or need to be invoiced, give us a call and we can put together what's called a prepaid filing code. Prepaid filing code works just like a gift card. You put money onto it, you take money off of it. It's just an alternate form of payment. The easiest way is to use a credit card. We have that service available. Once this looks good, go ahead and click Pay and Submit. However, once you click Pay and Submit, it will start our e-filing process. Once this process starts, there really is not a whole lot we can do to stop it. So I would highly suggest that you take the time to review this and make sure that before you click Pay and Submit, all the forms look correct. We're ready to go, so we're going to submit it. And just like that, we have successfully filed returns. Again, list of the payers information there, list of all the different services we're providing. You can print this page or a receipt down here. You can also print forms or get a PDF to save for your records right there. I would encourage you to go ahead and save a PDF copy of your 1099 forms for your record. Once you've completed filing, you will be receiving an email from us saying thank you for completing your filing. And every time we send it to the IRS, estate, or print and mail the copies out to the 1099 recipients, we will send you an updated email. But if you're ever wondering, you can always come out here to Filing Home and click on Form Filing History. Form Filing History, you'll see a little clock icon, and you can check the status of your filing. Also from Form Filing History, you can print. Again, just leave something checked, choose the copies you want printed, click Download, and you'll have a PDF of that 1099 available. And again, you can save this PDF or print a copy for your records. Also from the Form Filing History section, you can resend electronic 1099s. So if a vendor lost their 1099, you can click on the little envelope icon and you can send that email, abslandscaping@yahoo.com. Oops. Click send email and they will get a new email stating where they can download their 1099 electronically by putting the last 4 digits of their taxpayer ID number. Finally, if you need to file corrections because there was an error, you can click on this little corrections icon and it will walk you through what correction type you want to do and how to do it and make sure that the corrections get filed and complete. Thank you for watching this brief video. We look forward to working with you and helping you make your 1099 season go as smooth as possible. Don't be afraid to reach out. We look forward to talking to you soon.